Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best Arcadia II is probably one of the most essential pieces of gear for any outdoor enthusiast. Whether you're hiking, camping, or simply running errands on a rainy day, a good rain jacket can make all the difference. In this video, we'll dive deep into the Columbia Arcadia II rain jacket for women, exploring its features, performance, and whether it's the right choice for you. Number 5. Columbia Switchback Lined Long Jacket for Women. Introducing the Columbia Switchback Lined Long Jacket. This jacket is designed to keep you warm and dry in various weather conditions. It's a reliable choice for your outdoor adventures. The jacket features waterproof and breathable fabric. This means it protects you from rain while allowing moisture to escape, keeping you comfortable all day long. It utilizes Omnitech technology for superior waterproof and breathable protection. This innovative technology ensures you stay dry and comfortable, no matter the weather. The long-length design provides extended coverage. It offers extra protection from the elements, making it ideal for colder days. The jacket includes a comfortable lining for added warmth. This soft lining enhances the overall comfort, making it a pleasure to wear. This jacket combines style and functionality. It's a versatile piece that you can wear for hiking, travel, or everyday use. What we like. This jacket offers extended coverage, perfect for those seeking extra protection from the elements. The added lining provides superior warmth, making it ideal for cooler weather. If you prioritize both length and warmth, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. This jacket is waterproof, very light, and well made. Loved this windbreaker. Waterproof for sure. Was out in the rain all day and it worked great. Plenty of room to wear something heavier under it for extra warmth. It works well on extremely rainy days. The water droplets do not soak into the outer material. I have not stood out in the rain long enough to determine if the water will eventually absorb into the material. But, so far it has not. Number 4. Columbia Women's Splash a Little 2 Jacket. Introducing the Columbia Women's Splash a Little 2 Jacket. This jacket is designed to keep you dry and comfortable in light rain. It's perfect for everyday wear. The jacket features water-resistant fabric. It helps to repel moisture, keeping you dry. You can stay comfortable even when the weather isn't perfect. It comes with an adjustable hood. You can customize the fit for added protection. This feature helps to shield you from the elements. The jacket includes zippered hand pockets. These pockets provide secure storage for your essentials. They are also great for keeping your hands warm. It has a lightweight design, making it easy to pack and carry. This jacket is ideal for travel or outdoor activities. It won't weigh you down. This jacket combines style and functionality. It's a great choice for any woman looking for a reliable rain jacket. Get yours today. What we like. This jacket is incredibly lightweight and easy to pack, making it a great option for travel. It's designed for those who value portability and ease of use. If you are looking for a jacket that won't weigh you down and can be easily stowed away, consider this one. What people say. This Columbia jacket is a great length, waterproof, and the hood actually covers my head well, unlike many jackets that have annoying short hoods. The sleeves are particularly long but have adjustable Velcro straps that keep rain out and keep the length where you need it. It fits like it was made for me. It's long enough to cover my bum so I can sit down without getting wet, and it's pretty too. The print is easy on the eyes and will help the kids easily find me if we somehow get separated. Can stash your phone in a waterproof pocket too, so helpful. Love the hood design, keeps your head and neck dry but you can still see. And it is actually breathable. Bought it for a trip to New England area. Rained like I've never seen before but I stayed dry and comfortable, not sweaty. Great quality. Number 3. Columbia Switchback 3 Women's Jacket. This jacket is incredibly lightweight, making it easy to carry around. You can easily pack it away when the weather changes. It's perfect for travel or everyday use. Stay dry and comfortable with its waterproof design. The breathable fabric prevents you from overheating. It's ideal for various outdoor activities. The adjustable hood provides extra protection from the elements. You can customize the fit for optimal comfort. It's designed to keep you shielded from rain and wind. Keep your belongings secure with the zippered hand pockets. They offer convenient storage for your essentials. These pockets are both practical and secure. This jacket is designed for versatility. It's suitable for hiking, travel, or daily wear. It's a great choice for any adventure. What we like. This jacket features an updated design for a modern look and improved breathability for comfort. It's great for those who want a stylish jacket with enhanced ventilation. If you like a jacket that combines fashion and function, you should consider this one. What people say. Fits well, looks lovely, lightweight and just what I need when walking along a breezy beach in lower 60-degree temperatures. Last year I nearly froze along the shoreline due to the cutting winds at the beach. This year, I was kept warm and dry on those breezy and misty days. Plenty of secure pockets and well made. This is a great jacket. Easy to carry, easy to wear, comfortable, and completely rainproof. It's unlined, so it's helpful for all season rain needs as I can layer underneath as needed. It's waterproof enough that it makes me sweat if I try to wear it other than to stay dry or block biting winds. Number 2. Columbia Arcadia II Women's Jacket. This jacket from Columbia is designed for lightweight protection. It's perfect for those days when you need a little extra coverage without being weighed down. It's a great choice for various outdoor activities. The Arcadia II features waterproof and breathable technology. This means it keeps you dry from the rain while allowing moisture to escape. You'll stay comfortable in a variety of weather conditions. This jacket has a packable design, making it easy to store. You can easily fold it up and stow it away in your backpack or bag. It's convenient for travel and unexpected weather changes. The jacket includes adjustable features for a customized fit. You can adjust the hood and cuffs to seal out the elements. This ensures a comfortable and secure fit. Columbia is known for its durable and reliable products, and this jacket is no exception. It's built to withstand the rigors of outdoor use. It's a long-lasting investment for your wardrobe. What we like. This jacket offers the classic Columbia style and is built to last. It's a reliable choice for everyday wear and outdoor activities. If you are looking for a jacket with a proven track record of durability, this is the one for you. What people say. This is a nicely styled jacket with the zipper and the Velcro closure over the zipper for extra protection against rain, and the attached hoodie was the deal maker. The sleeves are adjustable, so while they were long, I was able to cinch them around my wrists. The jacket's zippered pockets really came in handy. I was able to throw my phone in my pocket and not worry about it getting wet, and an added plus is that I could ride the crazy coasters without fear of it falling out. Number 1. Columbia Women's Lillian Ridge Shell. This shell is designed to keep you protected from the harshest weather conditions. It's lightweight and breathable, making it perfect for any outdoor adventure. The waterproof and breathable fabric ensures you stay dry and comfortable. It allows moisture to escape while keeping rain and snow out. With an adjustable hood and cuffs, you can customize the fit for optimal protection. It provides a secure and comfortable feel. The lightweight design allows for easy layering and freedom of movement. You can wear it over your favorite base layers without feeling restricted. This shell combines style and functionality, making it a versatile addition to your wardrobe. It's perfect for hiking, camping, or everyday wear. What we like. This jacket provides a stylish shell with waterproof and breathable features. It's designed for those who want to stay dry and comfortable in various weather conditions. If you like a jacket that combines fashion and function, you should consider this one. What people say. It's surprisingly lightweight, making it perfect for everyday wear during the spring and fall seasons. It's not stiff or restrictive at all. Keeps even heavy rain out, but very lightweight like a windbreaker, so you won't roast in warmer weather. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.